Hey everybody! So tonight we're making some buffalo chicken dip. We have our chicken, cream cheese, ranch, and our hot sauce. And we are having a little get together at our church tonight. So we're making it for our ladies and the youth girls that will be there. So first I'm going to put the cream cheese in.
I'm gonna have to lock these controls. I actually hit the button and turned off my oven.
This cream cheese is very hard to pick up.
Daddy prepped it for us, didn't he? He got it soft for us. So. You can always do it in a bowl if you wanted to. He was showing it where you could see that there was 3 blocks.
You want me to smooth it out?
Oh no, you don't have to do that. You can go ahead and put the sauces in, and it'll.
So we have 1/2 of a cup of wing sauce or hot sauce.
Yeah, and it's usually equal portions of the buffalo and the ranch, but because we are making it for, the youth and the ladies at church, we don't want to make it too spicy.
And then I'll be adding the 2 cups of ranch. Ooh, that sauce is spicy.
You can smell it, huh?
Oh.
You're almost there. That's good right there.
Alright, and then we'll add the chicken.
I'd probably wait on the chicken. Let's stir it up a little bit because you've got those blocks of cream cheese. It'll just be easier without the chicken. You know what I'd do? How about a big, probably that big fork right there. And that'll help also with the chicken because it'll spread it out a little bit when you squish it down. We didn't put your apron on, did we? You want to take your jacket off, or are you comfortable?
I'm comfortable.
Okay. So what all did you do at school today?
I had a Spanish test this morning. It was quite difficult.
It was more difficult than you thought because you studied yesterday.
Yes, I did study, but the back I didn't really understand. But the kids in class kept asking the teacher questions.
What was the back? Is that where you had to write? You had to write sentences.
I had to memorize some terms in Spanish that I couldn't memorize, and I think I spelled them wrong. But I think I did good on the rest of the test. But I'll see tomorrow. She hasn't graded it yet. And then I finished up an essay in class.
So let me just show you one little thing back. So you see these blocks right here? If you kind of smush them down like that, your blocks of cream cheese and everything can get blended well, because we want to do that. Good job. I didn't mean to interrupt you while you were talking. I don't know where you were. I'm sorry.
I didn't do much after I finished my essay today in English.
Was that the one that was about Easter? That was
You're on
another one now.
I never did Easter. I changed it.
Oh, you changed your topic.
It's too difficult to research on. There's a lot of controversial theories, so I changed it. But
Okay.
this is a newer essay. Alright. Should be about all smushed in.
All right, let me see. Let me help you over here on this side. See how it's real liquidy? There's no cream cheese in that corner. So you can do it like that and bring it over and
Spread it out.
yeah.
I'll do this side.
There you go. Well, it's all got to be done. All that's liquid. Alrighty, now you can probably put your chicken down in it, and since we used 3 blocks of cream cheese, I think we're going to need 1 more can of chicken. It's usually 1, and a total of 1 between half hot sauce and half ranch. So let me pause it, and I'm going to go grab another thing of chicken, okay?
Alright. Hey, so we added 2 large cans of chicken, and we saw that it was plenty, so we didn't add any more, but it looks really good, so we're just going to pop it in the oven real quick.
There it is.
Right. 20 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, there we go. Bye.
We'll taste it in a little bit.
Yeah, we will. Bye. Hey, everybody. So, our buffalo chicken dip just got done cooking, and we're about to get it out of the oven.
You're going to just use 1 minute to get that pan.
Oh, I thought you were helping.
Oh, I'll use the, here.
The pan seems a little heavy.
It is, but I want you to put it on so you can get it, and I'm going to help support it from the underside.
Okay.
Y'all like our, it says Happy Holidays, y'all. I've had this thing probably since Travis and I got married, about 25 years now. But it works.
Ooh. This smells like I don't know what it smells
You want to try pulling the, I was going to pull this out for you first. I'm going to make it a little easier. So there you go.
It's like slippery. I don't know about it.
You good? Okay, well, I guess we'll carry it like this. Oh, baby, don't put your arm up there.
I don't want to spill it.
Yeah, you were trying to hold on to it. I don't want you to.
Yeah, it could start slipping. These things are.
Well, we made it without spilling it. All right, good job. What you think?
It looks good.
I think they'll like it. What you think?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's cover it up. Take it to church. Y'all have a great night.
Bye.
We'll let you know if it turned out okay, but I can't imagine it not. Well, we made a triple helping of it, and I would say with this empty dish here, I guess it was a hit.